federal rate hike impact in the stock market. Let's see the Federal Reserve first. The Federal Reserve System, also known as the Federal Reserve or simply the Fed, is the central banking system of the United States of America. It was created on December 23, 1913, with the enactment of the Federal Reserve Act after a series of financial panics, particularly the Panic of 1907. The US Congress established three key objectives for monetary policy in the Federal Reserve Act: maximizing employment, stabilizing prices, and moderating long term interest rates. As of the news right now, the US Federal Reserve hiked interest rates for a third time this year by 25 basis points. It reaffirmed that it would further gradual hikes in 2019, with the committee signaling the end of the accommodative stance. The hike comes on the back of strong GDP growth in the US and forecasts that it would continue. The policy decisions taken by the Federal Reserve impact both the US and the global financial markets. Some of the impacts are: a hike in the federal rates will drive up the dollar's value against the emerging market currencies. Imports will become costlier, which increases the deficits and drives up inflation. Foreign flows to India will take a hit. Because of this inflation, a falling local currency will eat into the returns of the foreign investors. And then there's the government borrowing. Emerging economies try to take advantage of low interest rates and borrow in US dollars. These proceeds help them boost growth. Now let's see the impact of repaying the corporate debt. When the US interest rates were low, many companies of the emerging countries benefited as they borrowed in dollars and repaid the debt in their stronger local currencies. If the rates go up, they find it difficult to generate revenue to repay this debt. Rising rates in the United States would force emerging economies to increase their own rates in order to protect their currencies, which would threaten the financial stability. This is the impact of the hike in the federal rates. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos on the stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel.